Hey everyone, Josh here. Today we're doing the steering lines on a MK4 Jetta, specifically these high pressure lines on the steering rack. So here in Ontario, we get a lot of snow and they love to salt the roads. And salt really isn't good for the cars. It causes this, it also causes this. And of course it caused this leak, the whole point of the video. So it kind of made the car not drivable because it would dump all the power steering fluid out pretty quickly. So if you have a power steering leak, and a pretty big one at that, the first place I would look at is the power steering, the pressure line on the very bottom of the rack. So I'm looking through the passenger wheel well here, and they seem to like to crack right where all that paint's flaking off, and then you end up with a big leak. The other would be the line just above it, which would be your return. But pretty well every car I've had, the high pressure one leaks right at that crimp there. So basically the plan here is we're gonna get these questionably good ones off of this rack here. You can get these new for about $90 or $100, but I've got this rack sitting as a spare, so I may as well steal these lines. The issue is the new ones, I think they come with O-rings, but all the ones that I saw, they don't come with these clips. So hopefully your clips are half decent. These ones, I'm just going to use these because I know the ones on the rack underneath there are not good. So we're going to get this apart first, and then we're going to go into the car and get that one off. So first we're gonna get this Torx out of here. It's nice and easy on the bench. So under here, I'm not gonna record a whole lot. You just saw me take it apart on the bench, so it's the same thing underneath here. It's a lot less fun. The one retainer is right there, kind of in behind the cat, so it's kind of a pain to get at. But just check all the other lines. Like, it looks like I'll be doing this return line pretty soon, and actually the rack itself really does not look good. So I might be doing this whole rack here shortly, swapping lines back over to the one on my bench and putting it in, but this will do for now. So here is the old ones and then the new ones there, so you can kind of see the difference. So yeah, they're pretty rusty. So this one's, I'm pretty sure, blue right here. And the issue getting this one apart was they put the clip so it would have been facing down, so it hit the subframe, so it was a pain in the ass to get out because the return line runs right there as well. So what worked really nice was I hit it with a hammer to get it popped down a little bit, and then just stuck a screwdriver in. Like, if you had your line sitting in here like that, you just stick a screwdriver and kind of pry off the rack and pry off the line, and out it comes. So yeah, it is what it is. So we're gonna get the new gently used lines in, and then get it topped up with oil and see how it works. Okay, so the lines are in. What I found worked really good was getting the O-rings out of the, let's shut that off. Get the O-rings out of the fittings, or out of the rack up there, and putting them on the line, and then working the line in. And then I also gave the line some taps with a hammer to get it fully seated. Right or wrong, it's not really what you want to do, but it worked pretty good. So up next, we're gonna get it filled full of power steering fluid. We're gonna get the tires off of the rims here, just have them free floating, and then go to lock and check for leaks now. Got it all together. Put it lock to lock. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, so I went lock to lock a few times with no load on it, like off the ground here, and just topped up the oil. It's really aerated because of all the air in the lines, obviously. So I just take it out for a few good drives and just keep an eye on that level and make sure everything's good to go. So yeah, that's the end of this video, and thanks for watching.